Hello everyone. In today's session, I'm going to show you something SQL Server basics. Firstly, we need to have a SQL Server instance installed. We need a SQL Server Management Studio as well. A SQL Server is running on top of a Windows or Linux operation system. You could have a SQL Server database engine. Usually we call a SQL database services. And then we can have a analysis service. Generally we call it cube. And the reporting services, if you want to run any reports, and they're gonna need this. If you have a ETL data flow running, you probably need an integration service. Those are called SQL Server features. And then once operation system can install a multiple instance. For example, you install a 20 SQL Server 2016 database engine. You install another 2017 of a reporting service, and yeah, it's also good. For version, you mean you can be like SQL Server 2016, 2017, that's called version. Edition is called like enterprise, which is have all of the features. And developer version and express version, those are addition, less features by features. And generally, we use the two SQL Server Management Studio to manage our SQL Server instance, but because it's a Windows application, you can't run it on the Linux. That's why Microsoft provided another tool is called SQL Server Data Studio. This guy, little one. And if you have needed to develop for any data flow ETL application, you probably need a SQL Server data tool. I'm gonna show you later. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how to create login, database, users, permission stuff. Let's get started. First, I need to open the SQL Server Management Studio. Like that. And I have my SQL Server instance installed. It's 2019. So you generally go here, connecting, you could connecting database engine, analysis, integration service, reporting services. So here we go, database engine. You can select server name here as localhost. You can use the Windows authentication, which is your domain account. You don't need a password. And then otherwise use SQL Server authentication. Those are for the Azure databases. And then using super admin account. I find my password. Select connect. Yeah, I connected. By default, it's a new instance. I got nothing here. So I'm gonna show you something. How to create a database. So usually we use a super admin account to create a database, and then we call MyDB. That's all. We don't need to do anything. And OK, click OK. Yeah, DB is on. So we normally have another account to access. We don't want everyone use the super admin account, so we're going to create a login first. Login is to the SQL Server, and if you needed to access individual database, you're gonna need a database user account. So need a login. It's gonna be a SQL account. We call my account. Password is my account. We don't use those password policies. And that's all. And that's account, but we need to create we need to use this account to access our MyDB database. That's why I need to have some users mapping. So kind of MyDB. First create a MyDB account. We're gonna give the account, my account, to the read, write, and the DB owner. So my account can managing the MyDB database. Click OK. Let's refresh MyDB, and then you should be able to see our users here. My account. Let's refresh my account. Okay, we're gonna use this guy. We disconnect. And I use my account. Remember. So we already create a login and database. Create a user. We already create a user as well. So we already grant the DB owner permission. We're gonna create a table in the view. So we got MyDB here. Right click on the tables. Right click. By default, it's empty. Some system one. So we don't have any users database tables. We're gonna create a table. Okay, we're gonna give a table name. Generally, we give a ID. Data type is int. Now we're gonna have a identity column that we increase one by one at every time. Go here. Is identity, yes. So first row will be assigned 1, the second will be 2, the next will be 3 plus 1. That's called identity increment. Start from 1. Okay, we may have a name. Let's call this table as student. So we're gonna have a student number, int. No, can't be now. And we have a student name. Watcher 50. Yeah, it should be good. Make it be higher. Maybe we have a student address. Okay, maybe you have a postcode. Maybe yeah, 50. Yeah, that's all. We're gonna save. Give a table name, student table, student. Cool. Let's close it. Now fresh. You can see a table here. We can query it. So see, we can only see the structure. That's called schema because we didn't insert any data here. So we're gonna insert some records. We go here. At the top 20 to 100 row. Go here. Gonna have a. We don't need to put anything on ID. They will insert by themselves. So ID number 100, 1000. School JSON. Address. My address. Maybe it's J1. Postcode. Function. Student 200. Same string. Okay, we have 2 records. So go now. Refresh again. Yeah, we can see 2 records. And then we're gonna create a view on this. Create a view. So create a view. You can, let's show again. Right click on the views, new view. And then you can see some tables, views, functions. So we're gonna have only one table right here. Add. Let's close. We're gonna select number and then student name. Just postcode. Yeah, I'm gonna save. Generally we call view W student. Okay, we close, refresh. Yeah, we have a nearly retained the same data as query table, and just for ID we don't need it ID column. Next, we're gonna create a store procedure. Go to here, new store procedure, new. Okay, those are template, so you don't need this. Also, you can put also my name, Sean. Great day today, 2020 August. Description. Get student detail, students detail by giving postcode. Proceed. Give a DBO USP underscore get student. We're gonna need a parameter. It's called postcode. Just format the same thing. We're gonna have a postcode. So it's gonna be a watcher. Same to the table. Watcher postcode and watcher 50. Watcher 50. Default value is 100. Okay, I need it. Don't need this. And we don't need this. Gonna select star from. It could be from view or from table. Generally from table. You don't want to use this guy. Postcode. Okay, let's go. Validate it. Run. Cool. Succeeded. Go here. You can call it execute. So give a value. It's called 101. So you can see 2 records written here, and the result, the return result from this procedure is succeed, is 0. So anything rather than 0 will be treated as fail. So you can see the difference between store procedure and views. So the store procedure basically have some logic inside. You may have something else column, say if you want to do any logic move, for example, first name plus last name or something. And then we create a function. So we're gonna create a function. There's an inline table, which means it's gonna return a table. This function, and it's gonna return multiple table. That's only return one single value. It's called scaled value function. We'll go this one. Same from template. Very good. Format. Today, 2020. Maybe what are we gonna do? Return a student number. Function. Split address. Let's go. Split. Address. So we're gonna pass chain. Yeah, split. We need a string. Same here. String. And the watcher. What's the watcher here? It's called 100. Yeah, 100. Return type is gonna be a string. We already have an return. We're gonna have a first string. 30, and it's gonna pass here. We're gonna use into. We're gonna select string. Sample string. Index. Searching for the string. Okay, string, and give it to the return value, and we're gonna return this. Let's give a go. Check. Select substring. Check. Go. So same. We're gonna call this function. Go here. Bash. Scale function. It's a new function. Okay, we're gonna go start a new query. My account. Remember my account. It's gonna be switch to the database. IDB. Value. This is my string. It's gonna return T. That's not what I want. Let's alter something. I want to return this 30. Start from substring from 1. Okay, right. T. Start first one. Okay, let's go. Select. That's my string. String. Left. This. Yeah. 10. Left. T. Right, not a problem. Cool. That's what I want. And then we're gonna create an engine job. You can't see it from here because this account doesn't have access to this SQL engine job. So we're gonna use the super account. Super First, we need to enable it. Right, because it's Docker, so we can try later. And then we will reissue the DSL, that means select language, and the DML language is included insert, delete, and update. We can go here. So we're gonna insert one record to this table. Insert into table name, table store, calculation columns, number. We're gonna go another one. Student name, student purchase. What is TV 32. Set cool. You can see select star from. Yeah. So we're gonna delete where student number 200. Cool. Update student set host code 02. Where student number equals 01. Select. Cool. That's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.